Jason, we are discussing about Roman numerals. I said already 7 main symbols are there in the Roman numerals. What are those? First one, I. It is what? 1. Next V. It is 5. Next one what? X. It is 10. Okay. L. 50. C 100 and D 500 and M 1000. So by these 7 symbols we can able to write the numbers in Roman letters up to 1000. So how can we write? Already I said up to 10. I already said how we have to write it? 1. 2 means 2 eyes you have to write, that is 2. Next 3. 3 means what? 3 lines. But how can you write 4? 4 means 4 lines if you write, that is wrong. So 4, nearly 4, what we have? 5. So first you have to write 5. And from 5 if you subtract 1 you will get 4. So from 5 what you have to write? -1. How you can write minus? If you write the smaller number first, it is bigger number. Before bigger number we have what? A smaller number. Then we have to subtract. So its meaning is what? 4. Okay. Example. What we are writing? I am writing here 4. What I am writing? Just 9. I want to write 9. How can I write? Which one is closer to 9? 9 here. 10 is closer. 10 is very closer to 9. So what you have to do? 10. X means 10. How you will get 9? 10 minus 1 means 9. So from 10 you have to subtract 1. Subtraction means before a bigger number what we have to write? A smaller number like this. Okay, this is 10, it is bigger, and it is 1 smaller. So if you write a smaller number in front of a bigger number, that is subtraction. So if I want to write 11, so 11 means what I have to write? X. X means 10, and if you write a smaller number here, what? 1. Okay. If you write front side, then you subtract. If you write on the back side, then what? 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 means what? 11. So now I want to write 12. How I can write? 12 means what? 10 plus 2. 12 means 10 plus 2. So 10. 10 means what? X. And 2 you have to add. So 2 should be written on the right side like this. That is 12. Next I want to write 13. 13 means what? 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. So first you have to write 10, and after that what you have to write? 3. Where we have to write? In the front side or in the back side means we are adding, so that's why you have to write on the back side of 10 like this. This is 13. Next 14. How we can write? 10 plus 4. So first you should write 10. Okay. Next one what? 4. What is 4? This is 4. So here you have to write 4 like this. Next 15. 15 means what? 10 plus 5. So write X. This is 10. And 5. 5 means what? V. This XV means how much? 15. Okay. So in the same way, we have to continue up to write hundreds or thousands, whatever it is. So I will write some numbers. Okay, in the previous class we completed up to 10. Now from 11 to 20 and 20 to 30 I will write it. Okay, open exercise 1.5 answer. Open exercise 1.5 from page number 18. And there are 4 tables. First from 1 to 10 and second one from 11 to 20. Next one from 21 to 30, like that are there. So now What I will write? 20. Sorry, 11. How we will get 11? 11 means nothing but 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1. 10 means x, and we are adding 1. Adding 1 means we have to write 1 on that side. If you are subtracting 1, where we have to write? On this side we have to write. So 11 it is. Next 12. 12 means 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. Next 13. 10 plus 3. How we can write it? 10 plus 3. Next 14. 10 plus 4. So how we can write it? 10. 10 means x. 4. 4 like this we can write. Okay, 15. 15 means what? 10 plus 5. So 10 means x and 5 v. 16. How you can write 16? 10 plus 6, that is 16. So 10 means x and 6. How can you write 6? This is 6. So 16. Okay. Next 17. 10 plus 7. So 10 and 7 you have to write. 10. 7 means what? This is 7. 18. 10 and 8. 19. I am writing 19 now. 19 means what? 10 plus 9 only you have to write. 20 minus 1 is not. Why? Because we don't have 20 in this. We have 10s only. That's why 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9 means first 10. This is 10. And 9. How can you write 9? This is 9. So that is 19. Okay. And last one is what? 20. 20 means what? 10 plus 10, 20. So 10 and 10. So 10 and 10. This is 20. Okay. Similarly, next 21, 22. So here this is 20. You have to remember that as 20. Now I want to write how much? 21. How can I write 20 plus 1, 21. 20 means what? X and x. That is 20. Plus 1. Plus 1 means where I have to write? On this side or on this side. Where I have to write means on this side I have to write on the right side. Okay, that is 21. Next 22. 22 means 20 plus 2. So 20 means double x. 2x means 20 and 2. 2 means this one. Okay. In the same way, next I am writing 25 here. 25 means what? 20 plus 5. 20. 20 means 2 x's. This is 20. And again 5. 5 means what? We have to take this one. That is 25. Next 29. 29 means what? First 29 means 20 plus 9. 20. What is 20? X. This is 20. And 9. What is 9? 1x. That is 9. 29. And next one what? 30. 30 means 20 plus 10 or 10 plus 10 plus 10. However you write, it is no problem. This is 30. 30 means 3 tens are there. So 3 x terms you have to write. 30. Okay. 31. 31 means what we should write? 3x means 30s. So 31 means 30 plus 1. 30. 30 means x. This is 30. And 1. 1 means what we have to write? I. Next 32. 32 means 30 plus 2. X. This is 30. Plus how much? 2. 2 means 2 lines. Okay. Now I want to write how much? 36. How can I write 36? 30 plus 6, 36. 30. 30 means x. This is 30. And 6. How can I write 6? This one 6. Okay, 36. Next 39 I want to write. How can I write 39? 30 plus 9, 39. 30 plus 9. So 30 means what? X, 30. And 9 means what? X, that is 9. So this is 39. Okay, up to 39 is completed. Now next one is what? 40. How we can write 40? 40 means what? 4x, 4 tens, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Actually, this is 40. But what is the nearer to 40 here? Near number is what? 50. So, how can we write 40? 50 minus 10, it is 40. From 50 you have to subtract 10. 50 means symbol. What is symbol for 50? L. We are doing minus. Minus means where you have to write it in the front side. Here we have to write. If there is plus, here we have to write it. So, how much? 10. Subtracting 10, that's why in front of L we have to write X. XL, that is how much? 40. So now 41. 41 means 40 plus 1. What is 40? XL. This is 40. 1. Okay. Next 42. 42 means what? 40 plus 2. XL, that is 40, and 2 means this. Okay. Now what we have to write? 48 I want to write. How can I write 41, 49? Sorry, 48. 48 means 40 plus 8. 40 means nothing but XL. And 8 means this one is 8. Okay. And now 49. 49 means what? 40 plus 9. But 50 is very close. So what we should write? 50 minus 1. 50 minus 1. 50. What? L is 50. Minus means front side you have to write. How much? 1. 1 means 1 line. This is nothing but 49. But we should not write like this. 49 means what? XL means 40 and IX means 9. 49. Like this you have to write. Complete exercise 1.5 by these numbers.